art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lilo from Lilo and Stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose right in the center. We're going to curve this around, tucking that in on the right. For the nostrils, we're going to curve this out on either side. Let's move up for the eye. On a diagonal, curving this up and out. Now moving underneath, we're going to curve that around and then up in the opposite direction. Let's frame the pupil. So we're going to curve this line up on the top. And then closer towards the inside, we're going to continue that circle as we come in underneath. Let's come over towards the inside edge now. We're going to draw in a circle for the highlight in the eye. And then now moving underneath for the pupil, we're just going to connect that circle underneath. And then now let's just color in the pupil black. Let's come down for Lilo's mouth. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with a nice big arch line. For the tongue, let's arch that up in the opposite direction, curving that over. Let's come down for the chin. So coming up on a diagonal from that corner, we're going to curve this around, tugging this over and in on the right. Let's round out the ear on the side, curving this up, tucking that down, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in the detail in the middle of the ear. We're going to curve that in. And then from that point, just tucking that back out and through to the middle. Let's close off the hair. So we're going to come up on the left, curving that up, and then we're going to arch that through to the top. Let's bring this line down and over, and then from that point, let's curve this up. Now from here, we're going to arch that out, and then we're going to flatten this out underneath, curving that across. Let's curve this up and over on the right, and now let's bring this line down, over, and through towards the ear. Let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to arch that in on the left, and we're going to extend that through. And then we're going to curve this across on the right. Let's frame the top of the hair on the left. So we're going to curve this out, tucking this in and up. And then now from here, we're just going to continue to round that out, tucking this over and in towards that right ear. Let's draw on the body, and then we'll frame the hair behind. So coming in for the neck, we're going to curve this out on the left and right hand side. And then we'll close that off with a curved line. Let's draw on the arms. So we're going to curve this out for the shirt or the dress. And then now coming down, closing off the side of the dress, we're going to curve this down on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the arm, ending that at the same width. And then now from here, let's close that off with a curved line from top to bottom. Let's frame in the arms. We're going to arch this out on both sides. Stepping up, we're going to curve that across. For the thumb, we're going to tuck this up, out, over, bringing that back in. We'll do the same on the right. So coming down, curving this up, out, over, and down. For the first finger, curving this up, around, and in. Moving across again, replicating that in the middle. Again, let's move over, replicating that for a third time. And then we'll do that one last time for the pinky. We're going to curve this down and in. In the center of the palm, arching that over. Let's close off the bottom of the arm, curving that in. For the sleeve of the dress, we're just going to curve this up and in from that point, closing that off. Let's close off the bottom of the dress with a nice big curved line. So adding the details here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out, curve that back into the top. We're going to curve this around, tucking that out on the bottom. And then we're going to curve that back up. Again, let's arch this line out, tugging that back in. And then from here, we're going to arch that over to the side. On the middle here, we're going to straighten that out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this around and through on the bottom. Let's focus on the right now. So we're going to start by curving this line in. We'll come down on a diagonal, curving that up. Now from that point, arching that out. And then from here, we're just going to connect that together, curving this around. In the middle, we're going to curve that up on a diagonal. And then we'll join that together from that point, arching that back through. Let's come down again. We're going to curve this line out, tucking that back in. Again, curving that over and down. And then again, we're just going to tuck that into the bottom. We're going to curve this out on the right. And then from that point, we're going to curve that back through. On the left, let's arch that out and down. Curving that over and back in. We'll come down on a diagonal, curving that up and through. One more time, arching that out and back in. Let's join this together on the top with two curved lines. In the middle, arching that through. And then we're going to connect that from point to point. Let's extend the hair behind. So we're going to curve this out. And then we'll extend this down and in towards the dress. Now let's draw in the feet. So on the top, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal. We'll bring this back in on a diagonal towards the middle, tucking that up. Let's draw in the strap on the foot. So we're going to curve this down, tucking that back in. And now from here, let's draw on the toes. So we're going to round this out, curving that in for the big toe. We'll come across, replicating that. And then we're going to come over doing this 2 more times. And that is it. That's how you draw Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.